This is Yarrow, Achillea millefolium. Millifolia, obviously foliage means leaf, right? And milla actually means thousand somehow. So this is thousand leaf. You can see it's compound leaf and flower cluster head. And some deer. This is a beautiful medicinal for staunching bleeding or for protection. Worn as an amulet, also incredible medicinal, antiviral, antibacterial. Basically the amulet is the metaphor for also its protective capacity. Its chemistry is the metaphor for its amulet capacity. Those are one and the same actually, they're not separated. So you can actually take the yarrow, the flowering top, as long as there's a lot around, and leave the rest of the plant hopefully to create another flower and not die. But now you can take this is called the flowering top. So you can take the flowering top and you can either tincture it or you can make a tea from it. It is a bitter, that means it's a digestive tonic as well. So it's cleansing to the digestive tract, cleansing for the kidneys, liver, and the blood. Heart medicine, protector, emotional restorative towards feeling safe in the heart. So you can definitely get a good close-up there of the beautiful flower. Achillea millefolium, yarrow. Here's actually an example of where a deer bit the flower, ate it, and 2 new flower heads popped up, so it regenerates itself. It can take some harvesting. So I'll actually be harvesting up some of this yarrow, and I'll show you all how to make a tincture from it.